Welcome to Buddha Sunshine. In a small village nestled between misty mountains, there lived a monk named Hero. He was known for his unwavering calmness, but few understood the depth of his tranquility. Every day, villagers would visit him to seek wisdom, and every day they left with more questions than answers. One day, a young man named Taro, burdened by his restless thoughts, approached Hero. Taro said, "Master, I cannot find peace. My mind races like a wild horse. How can I calm it?" Hero looked at Taro and gestured for him to follow. They walked to a nearby temple where a large ancient bell hung. Its surface was tarnished, yet it emanated a quiet strength. Hero pointed to the bell and said, "This bell holds a secret. It will help you to find your peace." Taro was puzzled. "But how can a bell help me?" "Watch closely," Hero instructed. He struck the bell gently. The sound echoed through the air, a pure note that seemed to linger long after the initial strike. While closing his eyes, Hero said, "Listen, what do you hear?" Taro listened intently. She heard the echo, the silence that followed, and even the distant sounds of the village. Taro replied, "I hear a lot of things." Hero smiled and said, "Now strike the bell again. But do not rush to fill the silence with your thoughts." Taro hesitated but compiled. As he struck the bell, he felt a wave of anxiety rise within him. Yet, he remembered Hero's words and chose to listen instead of reacting. As the sound faded, Taro found himself enveloped in the silence. In that stillness, he began to notice the flutter of leaves, the soft rustle of the glass, and the gentle rhythm of his own breath. Days passed, and Taro returned each morning to practice. With each strike of the bell, he learned to embrace the silence, allowing it to fill the space between his thoughts. Eventually, he discovered that inner peace was not a destination, but a practice, a gentle turning into the present moment. With a heart unburdened, Taro returned to the village, sharing his newfound calm. And so the silent bell continued to ring, guiding others on their journey to tranquility. Thank you so much for joining Buddha Sunshine, and stay blessed.